Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Welcome back to our channel. Here we got today is a 2020 Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG with a rather unusual issue. This one here, we had a gas door get ripped off during the car wash. Now, normally these things stay locked with this locking mechanism. It's also the release mechanism for these doors. Sometimes you go to fill up with gas. You don't get up to speed, it's like your door locks, they don't automatically lock, and then this could just get popped open. Normally as you go to the gas pumps, you just push on the door and it'll come popped open. If you going into the touch car wash and the scrubbers are popping against that, it will pop your door open and rip this off, just like it did on this vehicle here. So if you're in the Oakville, Burlington, Mississauga area and you're having any car maintenance issues, feel free to give us a call here at the shop. Urban Automotive, safety first.